Cookology CMDW2SL Mini Portable Dishwasher Tabletop. With baby care and fruit wash. It can wash fruit with the fruit bowl provided. Also, it can be used to sterilize baby bottles as it has a steam function. We purchased this for our motorhome, but would also be ideal for a caravan awning or tent, as it can be filled with a jug of water. No need for plumbing, but it will need to be drained into a bucket or drain. You can use ordinary dishwasher tablets. The dimensions are: width 420 mm, depth 435 mm, height 435 mm.